welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to make rosemary herbal tea, which is very beneficial for health. It has anti-inflammatory properties, it cures brain fog and improves memory, and also it has iron. It is rich of iron, calcium and B12 vitamin. Let's start. All we need is hot boiling water, rosemary leaf, and then fresh slices of ginger and pinch of turmeric. Okay, and a little bit honey according to the taste. Let's start. We're just gonna pour the hot boiling water in the pot, and 1 stem of rosemary fresh leaf and 1 slice of ginger and pinch of turmeric, and we're gonna mix it well and leave it for a good 10 minutes to let it release the rosemary's extract into the hot water. You're gonna wait 10 minutes and come back. Hi, so the 10 minutes are over now. See, it smells so good. All we're gonna add a little bit of honey according to your taste. Honey is also very beneficial for health and it improves the taste. It smells so good. That's it guys, our herbal rosemary tea is ready, and just enjoy it and enjoy the benefits of herbal tea. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.